Howdy YouTube. So today this little project I've been working on the past 2 days. Here on the I haven't been working on all day, but this is, they said it's a mulcher. It's supposed to go on a 3-point hitch of a tractor and run off the PTO. The gentleman that I'm modifying this for is, he did a lot of stuff where he needs the small width. He can't have tractor in what he needs to use this for. So he got a little mini front end loader kind of deal. So what he wanted me to do was take this, weld this plate on, so then he can hook his little mini front end loader up to it, and then he can pick it up from that on the front, not in the back like it's originally designed. The other thing is this. This is originally a PTO powered off of the tractor, but seeing how it's off a front end loader, we can't do that. So we got this hydraulic pump, and that hydraulic motor. Sorry, my bad. Then I made this bracketry to hold the motor, and then just doing a simple chain drive over to it. This is adjustable. Pull out. That's the door. I started cleaning all that up, but yeah. So basically, we just got, I think they call this number 50 chain, then 2 sprockets, and all it's doing is just driving that gearbox with Jen driving the shaft, which is in here, and then that. At the moment, I'm just trying to get this thing finished welding up. I'm just trying to take time on and off so I don't overheat it and warp it by putting too much heat into it. So that's that. Gotta finish this up. I gotta deliver this to him. This is just a few projects I'm working on at the moment. Got a couple of things going this week that I'll work on. Try getting some video of it for y'all. But for the most part, this is what I got going on today. I'm gonna get this delivered for him tomorrow, and then yeah. Ooh, and hopefully I'm gonna pick up a little addition to the truck. Let's put it that way. Something I've been wanting for a while. I finally found one. So yeah, it should. Hopefully I'm picking it up tomorrow. Actually, picking up something, but I'm dropping this off too. But more on that later. So yeah, I have a couple things going this week, so I might be able to get some video of it. A lot of stuff I do is either too small or not people, or they just don't want me videotaping it, which is fine. I do what they want me to do and stuff, but stuff like this, I know the guy pretty well. He doesn't matter. Now he does have something. I want to see if he can, if he'll let me take a video of it. I was working on it a little bit last week. It's a mini. What's that? A mini dozer that he uses all the time with a backhoe attachment on the back. It's neat little. It's tiny, but we will we'll change out the valve body on it to an electric valve body and manual, so that he could run it remotely. Because for what he needs, he wanted it remotely. So if he'll let me get some video once we get that thing going, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna post it to y'all and show y'all what it is. It's a very neat little machine. If he lets me, I'm gonna, but we'll wait and see. I'll have to talk with him. But yeah, I think of what else I got going on. Yeah, hopefully the addition to the truck I'm really excited about. So we'll wait and see. Hopefully, as long as that works out, I should be picking up tomorrow, and I'll make a video about it when I get it, and then probably an install on it. But you have to wait and see. Okay, so this is another project that I got going. Well, I'm getting ready to move. Me and my wife are moving over. We're waiting on a rental house to be ready. So, but the rental house is on a farm, but it doesn't have any. It doesn't have a shop or anything for me. So my parents live 10-20 minutes away from it, but it's still nice to have my own shop where I can work on stuff at night, and then I'll just go back and forth and just be home. But this is what I'm going to use as my temporary shop. It's a 16-foot, excuse the mess, I still gotta get this all cleaned up, 16-foot box truck box that actually came off the this is what was on that truck originally, but as you can see, it's rusty. But I gotta just rebuild that a little bit. I might make a video about that if I get some time, and then get it put back together and get it brought over there, unloaded, and it's gonna be my temporary shop for now. I mean, it's 16 by 8 or so, but it's not huge, but at least I can keep my tools in it and do whatever I need to do in it. Do a little bit of fabrication, maybe some TIG work out of it. But yeah, that's little projects coming up. Hopefully I can get some video of it. Just depending on how much of a rush I am to get it done and all that. But yeah, so stay tuned for more projects and more updates. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Have a good one.